your home, your business. They're more than just buildings. They're your investment. They're your peace of mind. And underneath it all, running through your walls and yards, is the lifeline that keeps everything flowing smoothly, your sewer system. But what happens when you can't see what's happening down there? Clogs, cracks, roof intrusions, blockages that fester in the dark, waiting to become disasters. Introducing the game-changing solution, sewer camera inspection from Pure Valley Plumbing. The technology that sees what you can't, the clarity you've been waiting for, the answers that end the guessing game. Whether you're a homeowner in North Moreno Valley, a business owner along Eucalyptus Avenue, or managing a property anywhere across our service area, you deserve to know exactly what's happening in your sewer lines. No surprises, no emergency calls at midnight, no $1,000 nightmares that could have been prevented. Our certified technicians roll up in fully equipped service vans, armed with state-of-the-art camera technology that penetrates deep into your sewer system. Crystal clear footage, real-time visuals, precise diagnostics. We don't guess. We know sewer camera inspection isn't just a service, it's insurance for your property. Early detection, prevention, confidence. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your most critical system is healthy and protected. Here in Moreno Valley, near Lake Paris, through Rancho Belago, across Bear Valley and beyond, we've been the trusted name since 2018. 120 skilled professionals, 7 years of excellence, countless satisfied customers who trusted us with what matters most. Don't wait for a catastrophe. Don't let a small problem become a financial nightmare. Don't risk your property's integrity on uncertainty. Pure Valley Plumbing is here. We're available 24/7 because emergencies don't take days off. We respond within 60 minutes because your time matters. We bring expert solutions and rock-solid reliability to every single job. We're licensed master plumbers, EPA LEED Safe certified, fully bonded and insured with millions in coverage, award-winning, recognized, trusted. This is what it feels like to work with professionals who actually care, who show up when they say they'll show up, who explain everything clearly and charge fair prices, who back every job with a 12-month warranty because we stand behind our work. This is Pure Valley Plumbing. Whether it's sewer camera inspection, emergency repairs, or complete system solutions, we're ready. We're prepared. We're here for the residents and businesses of Moreno Valley, California. Don't just hope your plumbing is okay. No, it is. Experience the Pure Valley Plumbing difference today. Because when it comes to what runs beneath your property, you deserve the best. You deserve clarity. You deserve confidence. You deserve Pure Valley Plumbing.